All children should be safe and cared for in the homes where they live. If you think a child is not safe, there are several things you can do. Number 1, call 911. If there's an emergency where a child's in immediate danger, or if a crime is being committed, you should always report that to law enforcement or police by calling 911. This is the fastest way to get help.
Number 2, call CPS. If you have reason to believe that a child is being harmed because of abuse or neglect, you should report it to CPS, which stands for Child Protective Services. Reports to CPS all go through the statewide intake division. Their 24-hour hotline number is 1-800-252-5400, or reports can be made online at txabusehotline.org.
Reporting to CPS may start an investigation to see if a child is safe. If CPS decides the child is unsafe, they can take steps to protect the child.
Number 3, go to court. Whether or not CPS or the police get involved, if you are a parent or if you are a non-parent with standing, another option may be for you to seek court orders to protect the child. If you are not sure which type of order to try to get, you can always speak to an attorney for advice.
In an original SAFSR or a SAFSR modification, the court can put rules in place to protect a child from an abusive or neglectful parent.
In an emergency situation where the child's at risk of serious and immediate harm, a temporary restraining order, or TRO, can protect a child for a short time, which gives you time to have the other party served and wait for a hearing in the SAFSR case.
A protective order may be another option if a child has been a victim of sexual abuse, stalking, or the victim of family violence, which includes dating violence.
If a child has been the victim of sexual abuse or assault and you have questions, you can contact LASA, the Legal Aid for Survivors of Sexual Assault, at 844-303-SAFE, S-A-F-E, or 7233, option 1. If a child has been the victim of violent crime or stalking, you can call Crime Victims Legal Services at 844-303-SAFE, S-A-F-E, 7233, option 2.
Number 4, support family safety.
If at least one parent is able and willing to protect the child from whatever the danger is, you might ask what kind of support the safe parent needs so that the child can stay with her or him. Examples could be helping them find legal representation, supporting them in filing a protective order, finding and helping them move into affordable, safe housing, or providing temporary support with things like food, transportation, or childcare.
TexasLawHelp.org has links to information and self-help legal guides for original SAFSRs and modifications, TROs for child custody emergency, protective orders, and reporting to CPS.
Lastly, if you have any more questions about child safety in Texas, you can call the Family Helpline at 844-888-6565 to speak to an attorney, or chat with us at the link below.